The operator's driving skills were very poor, but thankfully he is safe.
Zo, wat gebeurt hier? Ongelooflijk.
When your machine becomes its own worst enemy. Textbook self-destruction in real time. Damage this bad doesn't get a quick fix. That tractor's about to live in the shop for a while. This kind of tractor fails usually happens when a tractor is overloaded. The audacity to haul that load? Unbelievable. Some risks aren't brave, they're just reckless. Oh my God, the tractor flipped backward and the operator was trapped underneath, but thankfully he survived. This is exactly why we strongly recommend using proper safety guards on tractors. Front wheel gone. Driver unfazed. Still rolling like nothing's missing. That's commitment or insanity. Maybe both. Out of options? Horses don't need fuel, and they don't quit. Sometimes 4 legs beat 4 wheels. Pulling stumps with a tractor? Sure, it works, but it's less efficient labor and more expensive circus act. Entertainment value? High. Productivity? Questionable. Wheel loader balanced on a razor's edge. One wrong move and it's swallowed. But the operator? Ice in his veins. Steering like his life depends on it. Because it does. World-class tractor abuser right here. Drove that Swaraj 744 into deep water and rocks like it owed him money. Engine seized, hydraulics contaminated, full oil change incoming, destruction disguised as work.
Ну що? А що він робить сьогодні? Не набирай і не нормально копай. Yeah.
This operator gets it. Watch him thread that tractor over the slope like he's stitching fabric. My money's on him making it clean.
Красота мыл.
That load's so massive, both tractors are screaming at full throttle. Question is, after burning all that fuel and time, is there even profit left?
के करीब है। तो अगली वीडियो में मैं बता जो कितना वजन मशीन दे कहा के कर दे।
Village cart loaded beyond reason. Every push failed. Every attempt drained. Morning turned into a muddy nightmare that refused to end. Some loads aren't meant to move. There he is. That's the face of a real tractor operator. No fear, just focus.
Давай, давай, давай! У-у-у!
2 days stuck. 2 days alone. Look at those marks. It wasn't waiting, it was digging its own grave.
Ale John Deere no też nie pyta, on ją po prostu łyka. Idzie jak szalony.
Tens of tons buried under its own weight. That's the agony of track machines. But when your crew's packing serious pulling power, dead weight becomes light work.
Omijamy to miejsce, będzie kosone tak i potem no, trzeba to ominąć wszystko. Ciur.
Winter woods and two-wheel drive? That's not farming, that's asking for a funeral. Only 4x4 survives terrain like this.